Buenos dias, clase. Another video, another tutorial video here for you. We're going to continue working on the verbs and forming questions. So right now, what I'm going to need you to do is in just a second, when I tell you, pause this video and get your course packet out. Go ahead and bring it up on the computer and go to chapter 2. Okay, and you're going to go to page 15. Go to page 15. Alrighty? Okay, pause the video now. Alrighty, now do you have the video? Do you have that video? Excuse me, do you have the course packet up? Alrighty, let's take a look. So we're going to go ahead and do these two exercises right here on page 15. Let me see if I can bring that up bigger. There we go. Okay. So right here, what we're going to do is we're going to fill in the space with the appropriate subject pronoun according to the conjugated verb. So here's the conjugated verb. And what form of the verb is that? Well, the first one is nosotros. Good. And you're going to do that all the way down. So go ahead and give that a try. Pause the video for a minute and give that a whirl. And then I'm going to go ahead and give you the answers. Alrighty. So here we have the answers. Then the first one, we take a look at the verb. It's hablamos mucho en la librería. Of course, the subject pronoun would be nosotros. Busco, yo busco. Necesitan, don't forget that this conjugation, we could have three options. Ellos, they, ellas, they feminine, ustedes, y'all formal. I'm talking to you guys, you plural, formal. Miras, tú miras, yo escucho, él, ella, usted. So take a look. Again, we have three possible options. The él, he, the she, or you formal. Yo necesito practicar español hoy. Nosotros practicamos, yo dibujo, él, ella, usted camina. Tú estudias conmigo. Él, ella, usted termina. Ellos, ellas, ustedes llegan. Nosotros cantamos. Ellos, ellas, ustedes trabajan. So there we go. There are your answers. Next, let's take a look at this next exercise. Well, we're going to go ahead and say this in Spanish. So Carmen and I study the lesson on Friday. The word order is going to be very convenient. So why don't you go ahead and give this a try. Alrighty, so this next exercise, what we're doing is we're just translating the sentences, right? So Carmen and I study the lesson on Friday. The word order is beautiful. Carmen and I. So it's the we form. We study. Estudiamos la lección el viernes. Notice, in English, when we say on Friday, in Spanish, we say the Friday, el viernes. Just take note. He watches television on Saturdays. Él mira la televisión. It's kind of weird. Oh, let me do. There we go. Los sábados. There we go. That's better. Raúl y Pablo need to practice Spanish. Raúl y Pablo necesitan practicar español. Again, the word order is very convenient for us. Raúl y Pablo, they need. So here's the they form of the verb. Necesitan practicar español. I do need to buy a backpack. This, just trying to throw you. The do is implied, okay? It could have been, I need to buy a backpack para Sunday, for Sunday. Necesito comprar la mochila para el domingo. Para el domingo. Alrighty? Okay, let's take a look at the next exercise. In this next exercise, all we're going to do is convert these statements to questions. All we have to do is invert the subject and the verb. So we take the subject and put it after the verb. Here's the first example. Let's do it like this. And I'm going to say, ¿Cantas tú en la biblioteca? That's it. That's as tough as it gets. All you have to do is take the subject pronoun and put it after the verb. ¿Cantas tú en la biblioteca? Go ahead and try the rest of these. They should be pretty straightforward. Alrighty, now that hopefully you've given it a try, if you haven't, pause it. But here it is. Here are your answers. ¿Cantas tú? So tú cantas en la biblioteca? Do you sing in the library? ¿Cantas tú? So we just put this pronoun afterwards like we stated. Here, what is the subject? Mateo, Matthew. Habla Mateo. I should capitalize his name. There we go. Habla Mateo con su madre. The he or she form of the verb, right? Necesitamos nosotros más dinero. Está él en la clase? Bailan y cantan ellos? Now take a look at this one. This is interesting because now we have bailan y cantan. Those are the verbs. That's the verb phrase. The subject is ellos. Comes after the verb phrase. Bailan y cantan ellos en el centro estudiantil. Mira Juan la televisión en la noche. Estudio yo español todos los días. So take a look and check your answers. All righty. You have a good day. We'll talk to you soon. Adios.